Beneath the untouched wilderness of the Pacific Northwest, seismic tremors awaken something ancient. A monstrous, King Kong-sized creature known only in indigenous legend as Kalgor, the Earth's reckoner. Towering, primal, and impossibly powerful, he erupts from the mountains during a thunderstorm, roaring into the sky as centuries of...
In this video, you're going to learn how to create stunning, fully animated AI films and videos completely free, and with no watermark like the short film you just watched. This isn't one of those recycled, low-effort AI compilations that YouTube flags or demonetizes. We're building original, high-quality content from scratch using powerful AI tools that anyone can access. YouTube's latest policy only targets repetitive or stolen content, not creators making unique videos using AI. That means if you follow this method, your channel remains safe and monetized. I'll walk you through step by step, showing you exactly how I use this free AI tool to create cinematic scenes, animations, and storytelling visuals that look like real movie productions. So if you've been dreaming of making animated films without paying for expensive software or dealing with complicated editing, this is the video for you. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any key steps. And if you're new here, subscribe and like the video. I drop fresh tutorials and free AI tools every week to help you grow your channel and income. First, open ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. I want you to help me write a cinematic, blockbuster-style action film centered entirely around a gigantic, terrifying, and unstoppable King Kong-like creature. The story should showcase this monstrous beast as the main character. Don't worry, I'll give you this exact prompt on my WhatsApp channel so you can simply copy and paste it without having to type anything yourself. Once you've entered the prompt, click Send. ChatGPT will immediately generate a powerful and creative story idea for your film. At this point, it's entirely up to you. You can keep the story short if you're aiming for a quick animated video, or you can expand it into a longer format if you want to produce a full cinematic film. Once your story is ready, the next step is to generate image prompts that will help turn that story into visuals. To get those prompts, type the following into ChatGPT. Give me the best 10 image prompts based on this story. Make sure to include a King Kong in every scene. Then click Send. ChatGPT will instantly return a list of high-quality image prompts, each crafted to match your story with a dinosaur featured in every single scene. These prompts are extremely helpful and designed to make your visuals feel like actual scenes from a professional animated movie. Now it's time to bring these visuals to life. For this, the best website to use is Google Whisk. Search for Google Whisk on your browser. Once you're on the site, log in with your Gmail. Ensure you select the best quality option. Set the image size to 16:9, which is the standard widescreen format for cinematic videos. Then, copy each image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Whisk. Within seconds, the image generator will start producing stunning visuals that look like scenes straight out of a real animated film. Continue copying and pasting each prompt into Whisk, and the images will keep generating one after the other. Trust me, the results are impressive. So why are we using Google Whisk for this project? The reason is simple. If you want ultra-realistic, film-style visuals completely free, Whisk is an excellent tool. It delivers top-tier quality with dramatic lighting, compelling characters, and breathtaking environments. all without needing any professional design experience. Once you've generated your visuals, start downloading them. You can head over to the My Library section on Whisk and boom! Your stunning, monetized, ready images are all there, waiting to be used. If they are not, I suggest you rename the downloaded images and save them in PNG format. Now that you've got your story and visuals, the next step is to turn them into an animated video. We'll also be adding high-quality, monetizable AI voiceovers to bring everything together. So let's move forward and take this project to the next level. Before we move on, I want to quickly share something especially valuable for those of you who are eager to start making money from your AI content immediately. If you're serious about turning your AI videos into real income, but don't want to spend months building a brand new account from the ground up, this is a platform where you can buy verified, fully monetized TikTok and YouTube channels based in the UK or US, all at a very affordable price and use from anywhere in the world. And the best part? You do not need VPN to use it. You'll enjoy a huge discount when you use the link in my description or the pinned comment below. Make sure to check it out. To generate voiceovers for your animated film, we'll be using Native Speech by Google AI Studio. It's an incredibly powerful tool for voice generation and one of the best available right now. It is 100% free, and I will leave the link in the video description. On the Google AI Studio interface, ensure that Gemini 2.5 Pro text-to-speech is selected. Select single speaker audio. Leave the temperature settings as it is. Among all the voices it offers, the standout option is Enceladus. I personally use Enceladus's voice frequently because it sounds exceptionally natural and professional. Here's what you need to do. Simply select the Enceladus voice from the list, paste in the script or dialogue from your film or a specific scene, and then click on the Run button. Once the generation is complete, head over to the bottom side. There, you'll find your newly created voiceover ready for use. You can play it, download it, and directly add it to your AI video.
Deep beneath the untouched wilderness of the Pacific Northwest, seismic tremors awaken something ancient. A monstrous, King Kong-sized creature known only in indigenous legend as Kalgor, the Earth's...
The quality is incredibly high, and it sounds almost indistinguishable from a real human voice. It's a perfect solution for giving your AI film a polished, cinematic sound. Now, let's talk about a very important part: how to actually turn your images and story into a short animated video, something around 5 minutes long, without spending any money. Now that all your images are ready, it's time to bring them to life using Google Veo 2, which is also available for free on Google AI Studio. This powerful tool allows us to animate each image we've generated and transform them into realistic, smooth video clips with just a few simple steps. The best part? It doesn't require any advanced editing skills, and you don't need to install anything. Everything is done right from your browser. To begin, go to Google AI Studio and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, we'll start by uploading the first image from your AI film. After uploading, you'll be asked to enter a prompt to describe how you want the image to animate. Be creative, but also keep it relevant to your scene. For example, if your first image features a King Kong in a jungle, your prompt might be something like, "A giant King Kong slowly walking through a foggy jungle with cinematic lighting." Ensure you tell ChatGPT to make your prompts policy safe so as not to get rejected. Next, you'll select the video duration, which is currently limited to 8 seconds. The resolution is automatically set to 720p, so you don't need to worry about adjusting that. Once everything is set, click the Run button. After that, give it a few seconds to process. You'll see a preview of the animated video once it's ready. You can then choose to download the clip and move on to the next image. Keep in mind, since this is a free and in-demand feature, you might occasionally see a message asking you to try again later. This just means a lot of people are using the tool at the same time. Don't panic. Simply refresh or wait a little and try again. Eventually, it will work. You can generate up to 5 videos daily per account, but you can use multiple Gmail accounts. Repeat this process for all your images, and just like that, you'll have a full sequence of animated clips ready to be stitched into a complete AI film. With all your videos ready, it's time to move to the final step, which is video editing and watermark setup. To bring everything together, open CapCut, which is one of the best tools available for editing AI-generated videos. Once you launch CapCut, start by importing all your video clips one by one. Begin arranging the clips in order, trim out any unnecessary parts, and adjust the timing to create a smooth, logical flow. CapCut makes this process easy with its drag-and-drop interface and real-time previews. Once your scenes are aligned properly, it's time to add your audio. Insert the AI voiceover you generated earlier, or add background music if needed. You can also tweak the speed, adjust volume levels, and sync everything together so your visuals and sound match perfectly. To make your video more cinematic, you can add sound effects. Go to Pixabay and search for sound effects like helicopter sound, gun sounds, bombs, King Kong roar, and so on. Download the soundtracks and import them to CapCut. Arrange them on the timeline where necessary. Next, head over to the text section in CapCut to add a watermark. This is optional. This is where you can include your channel name or personal brand. Type in the text, place it in the corner of the screen, and adjust its opacity or animation style to give it a professional touch. If you want to elevate your final result, explore the animation and effects sections. Here, you can add visual transitions, filters, or cinematic touches that enhance the overall quality of your video. Now, add the clear filter to make your video pop. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and sounds, click on Export to save your final video. And just like that, your AI-generated film is complete and ready to upload. Let's preview it.
Deep beneath the untouched wilderness of the Pacific Northwest, seismic tremors awaken something ancient. A monstrous, King Kong-sized creature known only in indigenous legend as Kalgor, the Earth's reckoner. Towering, primal, and impossibly powerful, he erupts from the mountains during a thunderstorm, roaring into the sky as centuries of silence.
Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I've got more powerful methods and free AI tools coming your way in the next video, so stay tuned.